shoes. Alright, so first we got the laces. Their primary use is to tighten the shoe to your desired fit. If you like it tight, tighten it. If not, leave it loose. You undo the laces simply by sort of dragging them through these little holes. And voila. So secondary use for the laces is to choke out your enemies, you know? Alright, so now we got the insole. So what you want to do is sort of reach in there and pull it out.
First time you ever pulled out.
More higher quality material. These are pretty worn down, as you can see there. And also they help slightly with impact protection, obviously nowhere near as much as the actual sole. It's gonna be more comfortable than just riding on the sole. Next is gonna be the sole. Now this is like sort of glued to the upper here with some sort of adhesive. So mine's pretty janky already and it's like falling apart. So that's why I'm doing this one, and basically just gonna rip this stuff off. It's coming at me, dude. It's coming at me. It's coming. Is always cut away from yourself and towards someone you hate. So now, you know, it's pretty loose, so and just like that, got a separated sole and upper. So the sole, now this sort of takes a lot of the impact protection, and when your foot is going against it, you know, it sort of gives you some bounce back and energy retention. The purpose of the upper is to keep your foot sort of maintained in this position, so that way it will always strike the sole. Slipping this bad boy right on in here. Boom. So after you're done choking yourself, sort of slip this through here. The laces back in, super simple. You know, tie it if you want. Don't tie it if you're a savage. And then you might need glue for this part, but kind of just, yeah.